I'm giving up this sport. I swear to God. Just about to head up to the track, just waiting for a mate to pick me up. Do a bit of work for grassroots this morning, put a kilometre markers up, check out the track. Prologue starts tomorrow, look out. Reunited. Nice one, Sean. Look better than what it did when I gave it to you. Alright, that's all the kilometre markers done. Just finishing off the loop and get ready. Prologue day. Let's go up and see what's happening. Cup of tea and a breakfast roll, anyone? This is how it's done, boys.
Yeah, you got 3 of you.
Never work on your own bike. Get the professionals to do it.
Professional? I don't know.
It's a professional fucking idiot.
See, look at that then.
There we go. All legal. Egg, you want to check it out? Happy?
Here, let me have a little inspection here.
Silver. I'd call it.
Oh yeah.
I'd call it bluish grey. Yeah, I'm not sure about silver, but. Oh. Come on, burrito boy. Stop shaking that hand. Let's go, baby. Come on, burrito boy, let's go. G'day sports fans, that's the Kosciuszko Killer Prologue Day done. Big day out there on the bike, good laugh, did some helping, some sweeping, some filming, some picking up juniors, and in the middle of it all did my prologue run, which the first lap was pretty good. I got to hang up on the logs and stuff as I normally do. Second lap was even worse, but did have a good laugh with dirt bike burrito Jeremy on the Enduro cross section. I've just had the results through now, 59th I think out of 106, so that's pretty normal for me, right in the middle. Race day tomorrow, 40 mil of rain forecast, and it's been raining pretty much all day. It's going to be a wet race. So thanks for all the birthday messages for today. It's a great day out there. We'll see you on the track tomorrow.